Welcome back to YesSense Museum. The theme of today is sound. And sound can be found in strange items all over this cupboard. We have this item. Fantastic. As you can see, there are cows here on the label. It works after many years. I think I had it for 40 years. We have another soundable item. It's like a JoJo. It's a frog, as you can see. And if I three times, who let the frogs out? And finally, the theme of sound here. We let the frog inside the cupboard. We have this telephone produced somewhere. You can come a little closer, please. Produced in Lithuania or Latvia. I'm sorry, I can't remember. It's a strictly analog telephone made by the company Transistors. The model is TAP/791. And what we're gonna explore here is the delicate sound. So if I dial here, you must be observant to the aftertone. To do it, we'll take it one more time. It's beautiful. Thank you for joining today, and we'll let the Latvian or Lithuanian telephone into the cupboard again. Bye bye.